What if we told you that concrete, the stuff holding up our cities, is way more complicated than it looks? And scientists just built a digital version of it that actually breaks like the real thing. Stick around, because what they discovered could change how we build bridges, tunnels, and skyscrapers. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a simulation straight from Tampere University in Finland that shows exactly how concrete cracks under extreme pressure. No, this isn't some video game physics. It's a high-precision 2D model that could lead to stronger, safer buildings. You might think concrete is just a solid block, but it's actually made of a mix: hard rocks called aggregates, a binding paste called mortar, and weaker zones in between called interfacial transition zones, or ITZs. These zones are where cracks love to begin. The team built a simulation that includes all these layers and then put it under stress, literally. Using a technique called finite element analysis, they divided the digital concrete into thousands of tiny triangles and applied pressure. First tension, then compression, and finally, impact. The result? Realistic crack patterns that follow the same paths you'd expect in lab tests. Even more surprising, random differences in rock placement changed how the whole block failed. Here's where it gets even more interesting. When they applied force faster, like what happens in an earthquake or explosion, the concrete got stronger, but also more brittle. At high speeds, it didn't just crack, it shattered. That's a huge insight for engineers designing buildings in disaster-prone areas. Right now, the model is two-dimensional, showing a flat slice of concrete. But the team is already working on a 3D version that will model full structures. Imagine running tests on a virtual skyscraper before laying a single brick. This isn't just a cool simulation. It's a tool that could help engineers design better, safer structures from the start. The better we understand how concrete breaks, the better we can stop it from breaking when it really matters. If you're into smart construction, digital modeling, or just love seeing how science is shaping the future of our cities, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech breakdowns. What would you want to test in a concrete simulation? Earthquakes? Asteroids? Drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching, and remember, even concrete can be smarter. Check out more at newsway.com.